This 2024 Winnebago Vista 31B is a Class A RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 31 feet 2 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, Skylight, water heater, smoke detector, air conditioning, LP detector, awning, stove-top burner, auxiliary battery, TV, microwave, and 70 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bunk beds, bunk over cab, front dinette, front entertainment, front living area, mid-bunk, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear bedroom, rear entertainment. This 2024 Winnebago Vista 31B is built on a Ford chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.